Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading for the month of July. It's going to be for the mid month of July 2020, and I have two groups here. You can choose one of them. Group number 1 and group number 2. Let me start with group number 1. Let's see what is in store for you. Okay, the overall energy I see is of the Queen of Cups. You can see this card. Now this actually means that there is somebody around you, or it can be yourself, who is going to be maybe you are being emotional in the second half of the month. Okay, if you are having some you are expressing yourself well, that's what it means. Okay, in a controlled way, in a rational way, you're expressing your emotions, and she's somebody who is quite passionate and emotional, and she knows how to express herself in a very rational way. So this is what I see, whether it's yourself or somebody around you. She's around 30 years old, or she has the maturity of a 30-year-old person, and this is what I understand your overall energy. Let me see your other cards. Okay, let me see your career card. Okay, your career and finance, what I see in the month of July, in the second half of July, I see the victory card coming here. I can see that some sort of something that you have done in the past is coming to fruition, or something that you have done, maybe some kind of effort, maybe in your workplace, or in your finances. You're getting the rewards in the second half of July, so very positive outcome for this. I also see some other cards for you. I see the card of in your love life, I see the card of inner peace. Now this is something where you are you have that energy of being satisfied in your life, or being peaceful in your life with whatever you have, or that something is going to come in your life, and you've written your own story, and you know that everything is happening as per um, your wishes, and you know that, or you're very satisfied in your life, in your personal life, and you can see there is no stress, there is no anxiety at all. If you are living in a family, or you have a family life, I see this card for you, very satisfied in your personal life, in your family life. I see a person who's maybe their wishes have come true, their personal life wishes, I would say, and they're quite satisfied with all the cups around. Very much, whatever they wanted, they have in their life, and they're very grateful and happy for that. So, very positive card, also again. I see the affirmation as the relationship affirmation, quite relationship cards here, mostly with all emotions and all that. So I see this card. I tell the truth with grace and love, and my relationships are transformed. Now this card is again very, very good and truthful here. I tell the truth with grace and love, and my relationships are transformed. Something to do with being truthful, and being your relationships definitely will get transformed from there. This was group number 1, pile number 1. I'm going to go with group number 2. Let me see what is your overall energy. Group number 2, your card has come as the 5 of Pentacles. Now this is a card where we do say that if you get this card, you are in a way, you have a certain uphill task of financial insecurity, or something to do with you're not keeping well physically, and you're not keeping well in your finances. Maybe you've lost a job, or you have something of a financial trouble. That's what I understand from this card. So second half of July, be careful with your finances, with your job prospects. Now what you need to do, if you have this kind of problem, if you are facing this, I have a card for you, which is your career card, or finances card, as you can say. This card is pretty much what it says. You need to appreciate whatever you have in life, even if you're going through this stage of life. Be appreciative, take the steps. Something might come, might be good, and something might happen for you. So be appreciative even if things are not going on well. Your love life or committed life, whatever it is, um, you have this emotion of a distorted feminine, which means that if you are a feminine or a male, whatever it is, or any gender, you are in a brooding state of mind where you feel nothing is going perfect. Don't keep these emotions. It's better to get rid of it. Maybe you have bad experiences, but this is how I would say that you get rid of it and get out of all that, because you're going to attract it more if you keep brooding or something like that. Apart from this, I see, if you are in a family now, this is oppositely, if you have a family or in a family life, I see that you have everything, you're very happy, even if you are getting this card. Okay, a little opposite to it. In a family life, if you are thinking about a family, or if you are thinking about something like this, it's going to be good, because your card seems to be giving all the results. And apart from that, if I can give you some affirmation, it's going to be the emotional health, which is, I love my sense of humor. I find ways to be funny and delightful every day. So this is something that can make you happy daily. Okay, something to do with a little sense of humor. Okay, your emotional health, because all of the cards are showing some kind of emotion here. Okay, so I would say that even for this card, the money card, okay, I see that you need to be little appreciative. That's what it takes. Maybe this situation may not come, or this situation might go easily from your life if you are having some financial trouble, or if you are going through some kind of physical problem. So this can go out of your life. So this is what I see for both, for group number 1 and group number 2. I hope you've liked my reading, and you can subscribe to my channel. You can also give me a thumbs up, and you can also write a comment. I do give personal readings. So till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.